Hi there, I'm Ginny, and I own learnwithginny.com, where you can find free training for your home business, but also, more importantly, if you scroll to the middle of the page, you can sign up for my newsletter because I share home business tips, parenting tips, sometimes weight loss, but mostly home business because that's what I'm doing. The whole journey of Learn with Ginny is on learnwithginny.com in my newsletter. So I wanted to share how to use three-way chat on Facebook. And the reason why it's important is to connect your people with your upline, help create the environment so that more people know each other, especially if you're cold market prospecting or whatever. You need to have a little bit more community, so that you can all get to know each other, support each other, especially in this industry. If you end up with, a lot of people on your team, you need to help each other out and support each other. Also, because you can use somebody to help share a story, a true story that will relate to your customer or your prospect. So, it's kind of like the old three-way calls people we used to have with our uplines, but now we use three-way chat on Facebook Messenger. I'm going to show you both the desktop and your mobile phone app, okay? So let me get me out of the way, put my glasses on. Let's see. So you can see my screen. Here we are. Okay, so on your desktop, when you open up your Messenger, you're going to click this little guy right here, which is creating a new message, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to start typing the person's name up here to find them. And I'll click the next screen. So I added Diane Hockman, for example, because she's my upline. Added her, and then I searched for Jackie. There's a bunch of Jackies listed down here. I just blotted out their names. But then you would just, click on that person to add them to the conversation, and that creates your three-way chat. This is on your phone, okay? So same thing. You open up Messenger. You start creating a message with your little pen here. Then again, you search for the person and you add them by clicking the little circles. You click the circle to add Diane, you click the circle to add somebody else. Or you just start, if you click this little X, you can start searching for another name to add them to the group. And the third way that you can start a three-way chat is, let's say you're in a chat with a person and you want to start it with that person. So you click the little I in the upper right-hand corner for information. Then on this page, you click Create a Group With. It'll have their name there. I just blotted it out because I didn't want to share other people's. They might care. I don't care, but they might care. So I don't want to be, sharing all my connections with you. So create a group with that person. You just click this little group icon with all the little people in it. And that's it. You just start your conversation. So very easy. Very easy. I hope you got value out of that. Let me know. Comment, share, and make sure you go to my website and get on my newsletter so you don't miss any free trainings I'd invite you to or any workshops that we decide to hold. So make it a great day.